Good morning, welcome to my morning review on Thursday the 13th of November. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as you can see, yesterday we saw quite a sell-off in the pound. Eventually it broke its trend lines and continued, and literally continued and made a new near-term low. Looking at the bigger picture now then, and we need to really zoom out here into a weekly chart. We've broken through the 200s here. We have got some previous support just below us at around about, let me just see where that is. That's 157,500. So that's the nearest term support I have there, 157,500. If it keeps coming down, which is not a long way away from where we are now, corresponds with the mid pivot there on the monthlies roughly. Short-term time frame looking coming back at the intermediate time frame, and what we got here is we've got the daily pivot above us now. The euro's already air kissed its daily pivot. The pound at the moment really looks weak, and I'd be tempted to be drawing if I can draw one trend line across the lows here, and if it does break down to that downside, we could see it running down to the daily S1 area. So at the moment looking relatively weak, just consolidating here. Any rallies, well, I'd be looking to push those up to the daily pivot there at 158.30, but at the moment it's over 40 pips away. It does look it looks erring on the weaker side. Looking at the euro dollar, and let's just come up the time frames first. And change that back to change that to a daily, change that back to a 4-hourly. Right, from a daily perspective, yesterday we put an inside bar in, so we were really forming, as you can see, there's two wedge resistance lines I've drawn on here. One simple lower one, break of the low to me would see us come down, maybe go back towards yesterday's lows, or even a couple of days back there. At the moment it's not looking particularly strong from the intermediate time frame here. We've air kissed the daily pivot a couple of times. A continuation of this sell-off here may see us break this trend line. As I say, then would look for yesterday's lows, and probably Tuesday's lows as well. It could break through, moving towards its S1 area. As I say, looking relatively weak at the moment. One thing I'd watch for here is if we do get a possible break, looking for the prior lows there. May just break this trend, find some support near term. So just watching for the false breakout, if you like, on the euro dollar. On the short, as I say, short term, it's getting quite getting towards the oversold picture. So may just find a bit of support somewhere along these points. Also, just watch it to come down towards that trend line again and take off from the trend line. But as I say, any breaks there, I'll be looking to be on the short side or get into a short position. Okay, that's it for me. There's no significant news out today at all, so we are just trading on the technicals. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.